Hi friends, my name is Sumit and today we are going to learn how can we easily multiply very large two-digit numbers without having pen or paper and without having much of a trouble, right? That and we are also going to learn where these multiplications are going to be very useful. These multiplications can be useful in bank exam, in whether it is bank PO, whether it is RRB PO, whether it is RBI, whether it is LIC exams, whether it is any government exams, because all government exams have the quant part there, right? So in quant part, whether you are doing ratio and proportion, whether you are doing mensuration, whether you are doing pipes and systems, whether you are doing ratio and proportion, calculation is a part which is in every part. Even in the reasoning part, you have to do calculations, right? So today we are going to learn how can we do very easy calculations with the help of Vedic mathematics. I have already made two videos, part 1 and part 2 of Vedic mathematics. Before watching this video, go and watch that video. It's on the same channel, and from there you can have a pretty good idea of what we are going to study in this class. Okay, now let's start. We are going to use Nichilam method for multiplication, and Nichilam method is a part of Vedic mathematics. The Sut we use is used in Vedic mathematics, which is used to easily multiply very large numbers. Now let's see how it works. For example, let's see here. Here we have 11 into 13, right? Right, guys? We have 11 into 13. Here in the Nichilam method, we operate with the base. Here the base is 10. The base is what, guys? Here the base is here 10, right? And 11 and 13 are very pretty much close to the number 10. So let's see how this Nichilam method or Nichilam Sut of Vedic mathematics works. It works with the base of 10, that is 10 to the power 1, that is 10, 10 to the power 2, that is 100, 10 to the power 3, that is 1000. Any number which is close to 10, 100 or 1000, we compare the numbers that we have to multiply with the tens, hundreds and the thousand, and you can do the multiplication within seconds time. Now let's see how it works. For example, let's say we have to we have to solve this 11 into 13, right? So 11 is 1 greater than 13, 13 is 3 greater than 13, right? So 11 is plus 1 greater than 10, 13 is plus 3 greater than 10. Now if you multiply plus 1 plus 3, we get the number as 3, right? This is RHS, that is right hand side. Now let's go on to the left hand side. We do cross addition. 11 plus 3 is 14, 13 plus 1 is 14. So we have LHS is 14, RHS is 3, sorry, and we merge the LHS and RHS and we get our answer, that is 143. It is that easy, guys. Now let's see another example. We have 11 into 9, both numbers are close to 10, that is our Nichilam or base is 10. 11 is plus 1 compared to 10, 9 is minus 1, it is 1 less than 10. Now on RHS we have plus 1 minus 1, we multiply RHS, we have plus 1 into minus 1, we get minus 1, right? On LHS, we have 11 minus 1 is 10, 9 plus 1 is 10. Now, but here the RHS, we have minus 1, guys. See this very carefully. Now, we transfer one number from LHS to the RHS. Why do we do that? Because here on RHS, we have minus 1. So 10 minus 1 becomes 9 on LHS. On RHS, we have transferred 1. That 1 becomes 10. How does it become 10? Because the Nichilam for this multiplication is, or the base for this multiplication is 10. So the 1 we have transferred from 10 to the LHS to the RHS, it becomes 10. 10 minus 1, it becomes 9. On how this 10 became 9, we transferred 1 from LHS to RHS. When it went to RHS, it becomes 10. Why? Because the Nichilam of the base is 10. So on LHS, we have 9. On RHS, we have 10 minus 1, 9. We combine, we merge them both. Then it becomes 99. It is that easy, guys. On outward, it may look very tough, but take my guarantee, if you practice it hard, you will not find it is that tough. You just need to do a lot of practice. Now let's see some more examples to get your concept clear, right? Let's see it. For example, we have already seen this 11 into 13, 11 into 9. In this, both numbers were greater than 10. In this, one number is greater than 10, one number is less than 10. So always keep this sign in mind, guys. Do not leave the sign, because if you leave the sign, you will do 10 and minus 1 and 10 and 1, and you will merge 10 and 1, and you will write the answer as 101, which will be wrong. So always keep that sign in mind. Now let's go on to the next slide. We have 12 into 8. Again, the base is how much, guys? 10. The base is 10. 12 is plus 2 than 10, 8 is minus 2 than 10, right? We are comparing 12 and 8 with 10. So plus 2 into minus 2 becomes minus 4, guys. Always keep in mind the sign. 12 minus 2, 10, 8 plus 2, 10. Again, we transfer, because this is minus, we transfer, what did I say? One number from LHS to the RHS. Now, as it goes from LHS to RHS, this one becomes 10. Why does it become 10? Because the base here or the Nicolam here is 10. So 10 minus 4, 6 on the RHS. On LHS, since we have transferred one number from LHS to RHS, this 10 minus 1 becomes 9. And on finally, we merge 9 on the LHS and 6 on the RHS, and we have our answer 96. It is that easy, guys. I know it may look very tough on the outside. It will be some hard to understand, but look very keenly on the video. And if there any problem understanding the video, go to part 1 and part 2. It will help you understand the concepts much better. Let's see. We have 13 into 7, right? 13 is again plus 3 compared to what? Compared to 10. 7 is minus 3 compared to what? 10. So again, plus 3 minus 3 becomes minus 9 on RHS. On left hand side, that is LHS, we have 13 minus 3, 10, 7 plus 3, 10. Again, since this is in minus, we transfer 1 from LHS to RHS. So this 1 becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. And from, we have subtracted 1 from what, guys? 10. So this 10 becomes 9. So on LHS we have 9, on RHS we have 10 minus 9, 1, and we combine and we get the answer as 91. Always remember, guys, keep this sign in mind, because if you do not keep the sign, you will say 3 into 3 is 9, 13 minus 3, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, then you will write the answer as 109. And then you will say, Sumit sir, see, your trick did not work. The Vedic mathematics is a fraud, Nicolam Sutra is a fraud, it is not working. It works. Just you have to see which part, because I have made 3 parts of Nicolam. Part 1, part 2, part 3. This is part 3. Part 1 is when both numbers are greater than the base, that is 10 or 100. Part 2 is when both numbers are less than the base, that is 10 or 100. Part 3 is what we do when one number is greater than the base or one number is less than the base. In that, the product comes in negative. What we do in those cases, we transfer 1 from LHS to the RHS. That 1 when goes from LHS to the RHS, it becomes what? It becomes the base. If the base is 10, it becomes 10. If the base is 100, it becomes 100. And then we write the final answer. Do not say that, sir, we will take 10 from LHS, we take 9 from RHS, and our answer is 109. No, you can't do that, because 9 is not in positive, 9 is in negative. So the sign has to be kept in mind. Let's see how it works with the base of 100. For example, 97 to 101. Here the base is what, guys? Here the base is 100, right? Here the base is 100, that is 10 to the power 2. So again, 97 is minus 3 compared to what? 100. 101 is plus 1 compared to plus 1, sorry, compared to what? 100. Minus 3 into plus 1, it is minus 3. Keep them in mind the sign, guys. Again, we do cross. 97 plus 1, 98. 100 minus 3, 98. Again, since the sign is negative, what we have to do? Transfer 1 from LHS to the RHS. You take 1 from LHS, it becomes 97. Why? Because we took 1 from LHS and transferred into RHS. So 98 minus 1 is 97. This one, when becomes to RHS, it becomes 100. Why? Because the base is 100. If you are doing with the base 10, it would become 10. Now, since the base is 100 or the Nicolam is 100, we are taking 100. 100 minus 3 is 97 on the RHS. LHS, we have 97. Combine these two, we have 97, 97 answer. It's that easy, guys. You don't need to worry. You just need to practice hard. It will work for you guys. Let's see another example. 99 into 102. Again, both are compared with the base of 100. 99 is minus 1 compared to what? 100. 102 is plus 2 compared to what? 100. We do minus 1 into plus 2 becomes minus 2. Right? Minus 2. Again, 99 plus 2, 101. 102 minus 1, 101. Now, since the sign is negative, what do we do, guys? We transfer 1 from LHS to the RHS. Since we have transferred 101, it becomes 100. Why did it become 100? Because we took 1 from LHS, that is 101, and gave it to RHS. So 101 minus 1 becomes 100, guys. This 100. And this one transferred from LHS to RHS becomes what? 100. Why did it become 100? Because, sorry guys, this becomes 100 because the base is 100. So this one we have transferred from LHS to RHS becomes 100. 100 minus 2 is 98. We merge the LHS and RHS, and our final answer is, guys, 198. It is that easy. Again, always keep in mind this sign. For example, see some student, if he will not mind the sign, what will he do? He will say plus 1 into 2, 2. We need 2 digits. Since the base is 100, he will write 101, 02 is the answer. And then he will say, Sumit sir, see, your trick is not working. Your Nicolam suit is not working here. It works. The point is, you have to know which Nicolam suit. There are 3 parts of Nicolam suit. One when both numbers are less than the base, one when both numbers are greater than the base, and one when one number is lesser than the base, one number is greater than the base. This is part 3. You have to understand and always keep in mind the sign. If you are careful about the sign, the Nicolam suit will always give you the right answer. It is a tried and tested formula, guys. It is not some mumbo jumbo, not some voodoo. It is basic mathematics, a shortcut or a mental mathematics given by a saint of Odisha. But again, we'll talk about him in some other part. In 1962, he published a book called Vedic Mathematics from Tirth Maharaj. The book is from Banarsi Das Publications. If you search Vedic Mathematics on Amazon, you will get the book. The book was, I think, first published in 1962 or 1992. I'm not pretty much sure about it, but that is. He was a saint from Odisha. His name was Tirth Das, and on Amazon Prime, if you go from Banarsi Das Publication, you will see his book. So now let's see much about the saint and the book. Let's see on the topic. So our topic, let's go on to the next slide, guys. Now again, we are doing the base is 100, right? So again, we have to work with base 100. So 99 is minus 1 than 100, 104, 99 into 104. We have to multiply these 2 digit numbers. Base is 100. So 99 is 1 less than 100, 104 is 4 greater than 100. So minus 1 into plus 4, it becomes minus 4. Always keep in mind the sign, guys. Again, cross 99 plus 4, 103, 104 minus 1, 103. Now what I told you, if there is a negative sign in RHS, we take 1 from LHS and give it to RHS. So 103 minus 1, it becomes 102. How did it become 102? Because we took 1 from 103 and gave it to RHS. So 103 minus 1 becomes 102. Now the 1 which went to RHS, it becomes 100. Why does it become 100? Because here the base is 100. If the base would be 10, it will become 10. If the base would be 1000, it will become 1000. So 100 minus 4 is what, guys? 96. We have 96 on the RHS. On the LHS, we have 102. Again, what we do, we merge the LHS and RHS, and the final answer is, guys, 102, 96. It is that easy, guys. You just need to practice. If you have any problem, write those problems on the comment box, and I will try to solve it. Fine. Now let's see another example, guys. 95 into 104. Again, we are working with what base, guys? We are working with Nicolam or the base of 100. 95 is minus 5 compared to what? 100. 104 is plus 4 compared to what, guys? 100. Minus 5 into plus 4 is what? 20. It is minus 20. Keep in mind the sign, guys. Always keep in mind the sign. And on the RHS, we have, on the LHS, we have what, guys? 95 plus 4, 99. 104 minus 5, 99. So again, since the RHS has a negative sign, what did I say? Take 1 from LHS and give it to the RHS. So 99 minus 1, it becomes 98. Why? Because we transferred 1 from LHS to RHS. The one we have transferred from LHS to RHS, when it goes to RHS, it becomes what? 100. Why does it become 100? Because the base is 100. So 100 minus 20, where does this minus 20 came from? Because the sign before 20 was minus. So 98 on LHS, 80 on RHS, and we finally do what? We merge them both, and the answer becomes 9880. It is that easy, guys. Now, what many students will do, they'll say, sir, 5, 4, 20, 95 plus 4, 99, 104 plus 5, 99, and they'll say 99, 20 is the answer. And when they'll be wrong, they'll say, sir, Sumit sir, see, your trick didn't work. What you taught, it will not work on all numbers. It will work on all numbers. What you did wrong was you ignored the minus sign before 20. If there's a minus sign before 20, you cannot write the number as it is. You cannot do that. That is the basic principle of Vedic mathematics. You have to transfer 1 from LHS to RHS and you have to write the complement of that number. The complement of 20 is what? 80. Why? Because the base is 100. And to make that complement, we took 1 from LHS to RHS. So it became 98. Here 4. What is the complement of 4? The complement of 4 in base 100 is what? 96. Because 96 plus 4 is 100. So the complement of minus 4 is what? 96. So we have to use 96. You cannot write 103 and 4 and you can say, sir, this is my answer. Don't do that. This is where many students get it wrong. So practice is as much as you can do at home. This will help you in aptitude exams and you'll be very, very thankful to me for that. Right, guys? So that will be all for today. I've also given some homeworks for you guys. 94 into 107, 93 into 107, 96 into 106, 98 into 103, 99 to 108. What is common in all five numbers, guys? One number is greater than the base and other is lesser than the base. So in all, you will have negative multiplication in RHS. What you have to do, you have to find the complement of the number in RHS. If you are using with base at 10, you have to subtract that number from 10. If you are using that base from 100, you have to subtract 100, that number from 100. It is that easy, guys, right? So do not be worried about anything. I hope this helps you. And that will be all from my side. Take care of your health and be happy. Good night. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.